Hi, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Ok Xoomer. I'm your host, Aaron Lichtig, Xometry guy and former Jeopardy champion, and I'm here today with Shen Liu. Now, Shen is a student at RIT, that's the Rochester Institute of Technology, and he is a master's student in industrial design. And he's here because he is one of the winners in Blue Heart Hero's recent design contest. And Blue Heart Hero is an organization that works to create simple 3D printable free solutions that help people with disabilities overcome some everyday challenges. And Shen's design was one of the winners of this contest. So congratulations, Shen. It's very nice to have you here.
Thank you.
All right. So first, tell us a little bit about yourself and what you currently study at RIT.
Yes, thank you, Alan. And I'm from China, so now I study in the master degree in the IT. So yeah, focus on the industrial design. And I very interested in two topics. One is vulnerable group and sustainable. Another one is sustainable development. So I focus on the how to use industrial design or product to help those people to build our socials more better. So I get the Blue Heart's match, the game. I call that is games. So I'm very excited because they use the 3D printer and many people can use that to DIY some specific project to help they normally life more better. So I excited. So so I do some experience testing, like I use a tab to rotate my hand to understand if I lost my fingers. So how to what I do in the kitchen. So I realized very interesting things. Because I don't have the finger, so I hard to open some device like open the toaster and turn on some for the cooking. You need to turn on some object, so a switch or some exactly the open the refrigerator also is very challenging. So I think how can I do that more easily? Then this I get a project that Blue Heart company very like that also. So this I believe this way is very classical to understand who is your user, what's the real pain, real very valuable problems to should be solved. So yeah, and in the second part here, I have to thanks the Blue Heart's engineering. They help me to improve my project, like because in my original design, it's harder to use the 3D printer to fit everyone. What means is, you know, the structure maybe is too complex, and for them is don't have this experience too much, so it's a high risk for lose. So this also we don't want to see. So we try to make the structure more simple. What means make the device more easily to get. So we is spend many time to understand how to print that and how to make the structure more reliable. So finally looks like we are there. So yeah,
that's great. So they gave you some help with the design itself. Now, what does the design look like? Like what does it do? How does somebody use it?
I have the images. Did you mind I sharing my screen to?
Oh no, not at all. Yes, please
Okay.
share.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me share my screen. Yeah, could you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the original project that I made. On your right hand. Yeah.
Gotcha. So
So
that would go onto the hand of somebody who had a disability to help open the refrigerator.
yeah, and this
I see.
image is very easily to show show how to use that. Yeah, on this part, they can use some sticker, double-sided sticker, double-sided tape to stick on the refrigerator's edge. Then they just push this button and the door will go out. Let me see, maybe I have, yeah. So this, after I print, I use that looks like this way. So I believe it's obviously to show that.
Okay. Yeah, so that it makes it more convenient for someone to be able to pull the door open.
Yeah, for easily open, and because you can see the structure is a little bit complex. What mean is on your right hand, the image is after I print, I take, so it's a 45-degree. Also have some you can see the yellow part is the spot is removable. So this we don't want, because why? Those many users, they maybe it's the first time to use the 3D printer. They don't know how to set in some tiny buttons, and it needs some skills. So in other words, I will make the trouble to them. So they hard to get the device. After that, so we try to separate that. Let me see if you're interested. Sorry, because here is I talk with Jed. So he helped me a lot. Like finally he built this one, but before that it's a lot of chat.
Oh, that's great. So he was able to help you with your design, and you were able to learn from each other and make it even better.
Yes. So let me see. I was show his like finally we use this way to separate the device. It will help the user more easily to print out. And you can see that finally after the split that, and you can see here is removable. So, but in another word, it's very easily to get that. So this I very appreciate. Blue Heart, he helped me.
That's great. Now, how did you find out about this contest, and what made you interested in creating parts that can help people with physical challenges or physical disabilities?
Yeah, this next questions. I believe is reliable the experience, because I played the 3D printer since 2014. So and also Blue Heart company, they give me in the second round, maybe Mr. Jet, he gave me the very a lot of experience, like oh, you can separate that, and which structure should be normally used. So this I asked him and get his some experience. So I believe this structure is not the best, but have many spaces should be improved, because I'm a student. So student project is younger, and but it's necessary begin, I believe. Yeah.
All right. Well, that's great. Shen, congratulations on being one of the winners of the Blue Heart Hero contest. I think this part can be helpful to a lot of people, and it's a very creative idea and a great partnership between you and Blue Heart Hero. And Xometry is excited to be a sponsor of Blue Heart Hero's second design contest. So we are involved with the Blue Heart Hero organization, and we are really excited to see Shen, and hopefully we'll have some of the other winners on this show in the coming weeks as well. So Shen, thank you for joining us, and best of luck.
Thank you very much, Alan. Yeah.
All right. Well, this has been another episode of OK Zoomer. Thanks for joining. Stay safe and healthy out there, everybody, and we'll see you back in another couple days with another episode.
Thank you very much.